Today I'm going to be unboxing the JBL Charge 5 portable speaker. Hey everybody, this is the Review Dad. Welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel.
Hello?
So here we have the JBL Charge 5 box. It looks really cool and it's the new Bluetooth 5.1. So the box looks really good with nice images around it, some cool tape that you can just pull off and then it unravels with some magnetic sides, and it's really well packaged. It looks good, the colors are bright, and it's very, very eye-catching. So opening up this lovely box, we are presented with a cool picture of people having fun on the beach because this speaker is waterproof. Opening up the main box, we are presented with a smaller box with the Charge 5 logo as well as the speaker in a nice cloth bag. And that is all that's in the main box, so very minimal and nice to unpack, not too much clutter. So let's have a look in the smaller box. So what do we have in this box? We have the cable, the charging cable. This is USB-C, and it also can double up. The speaker doubles up as a battery pack, so you can actually charge your phone. So here's the cable, it's USB-C as you can see. Get that? USB-C. Yeah, see? Yeah, anyway. And you get the manual with do's and don'ts and all the other things that come with a manual that you can have a read through. And that's basically everything. So let's get onto the speaker. So the speaker is quite heavy to hold. It's about a kilo, which isn't that much. But it's actually really nice. It looks really good. It feels good. It feels sturdy. It feels heavy, so it's nice and strong. The charge time is roughly 4 hours, and it can last up to 20 hours depending how loud you put the speaker. You've got your volume up and volume down buttons. You also have your press play and pause button on the left, and then also skip if you press it twice. And on the right you have the party option, and in the middle you have the on, off and Bluetooth button. Now that party option button, if you press that button and you have other speakers that are the same in the region, what it will do is actually push that music out so all of them play the same sound. So that's a pretty nifty feature if you have a party and loads of these speakers lying around. Now looking at the size of the speaker, you can see next to a Sharpie it's not that big. It's quite a nice size. It's nice to hold and it's nice to carry around as well. And underneath you can see that non-slip mat. It's also flattened so the speaker doesn't roll off the table or wherever you put it down. And the feel of the speaker itself is quite tough. It feels like a really thick weave of netting, and it's actually really nice to hold. The silicone sides are nice to hold, the buttons are nice to press, the side bounces where the woofer is and pushes that out, and as you can see there's the weight, so it's 0.9 kilos or roughly 2 pounds. Now as you use the speaker outdoors and near water and in picnics and things like that, you might want to protect it. So one of the accessories that came with the speaker that I got is a silicone sleeve. Now that silicone sleeve fits snug over the speaker and the buttons all line up so everything is in line, and it works just as well as if the speaker was on its own naked without any silicone sleeve. The sleeve also comes with a nice strap so you can put that on and it can go over your shoulder, or you can tie it to a bag or whatever you want to do. So that does protect it nicely from any bumps or scrapes or anything like that when you are carrying it or putting it down. So that's a nice accessory to get if you are looking at protecting the speaker when you are outside and running around and doing your things on the beach like in the picture. So just a quick moment here. If you guys are enjoying this video, give it a like, a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. My next video will actually be reviewing the speaker and talking about it and see how it performs. The other accessory I wanted to talk about was a little carry case, which I also got with the speaker, which is quite nice. Now, the silicone sleeve does not fit on the speaker and fit in the bag, so it just makes it a bit bigger. But the speaker does fit in without the silicone sleeve, and there's space for the cable, and it's actually a nice padded bag. It fits really snug. It's got a little carry handle, it zips up nicely, and it's easy to hold and carry around, as you can see here. So you can, looks like you're carrying a bottle of wine or something like that, but it's really snug, it's really neat. And yeah, I'm pretty impressed with the unboxing of the speaker and the accessories. So join me again for another unboxing, and be sure to watch the review of the speaker. Cheers!